Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video. Today's topic is animal tissues. We have previously discussed about animal tissues, like study of tissues is known as histology, and father of histology was Bichat. Father of microscopic anatomy was Marcello Malfighi, etc. etc. What was tissues? What were the types? What were the functions? Like on the functions, they can be classified into four types, namely epithelial tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, and muscular tissue. Epithelial tissue has the highest regeneration power, and nervous tissue has the lowest regeneration power. Epithelial tissue is the first tissue to arrive in our body, and also it can arise from all the three layers. What were the three layers? It were mesoderm, ectoderm, and the endoderm. Okay, we have also discussed about the modifications. First modification was the microvilli, also called as brush bordered epithelium. Before that, we have talked about cell junctions. There were basically four types of cell junctions found in epithelial tissue, which were tight junctions, which were used to prevent leakage between the cell and also check the flow of materials between the cell. Second was the gap junction, which helps to connect the two cells of an epithelial tissue and increase the rate of transfer of small molecules and sometimes larger molecules, and also exchange of ions. Third was interdigitations. Interdigitations basically helps us to provide stretchability in the parts where interdigitation types of cell junctions were found. Fourth were the desmosomes, or also known as adhering junction or maculous adherens. This was found by the protein disc. It acts like a cement like structure and fixes the cell. Okay, now today's topic is modifications of plasma membrane at free surface. We have already discussed about microvilli, which was brush bordered epithelium. It helps to increase the surface area, increase absorption, and it was non-motile, means it cannot move, and it was non-contractile, so it cannot change its length. Examples were PCT of nephron, proximal convoluted tubule, gallbladder, and small intestine. I'll discuss about the functions of it in the later videos. Okay, now second topic is second variation is cilia, also known as gynoecilia or ciliated epithelium. Okay, now let us see. I'll just give you the overview and we'll see the diagrams which will help us to know better. Now third type of modification is stereocilia, also called as stereociliated epithelium. Now let us see the diagrams. Cilia has thread-like processes or outgrowth. It is motile, contractile, and has a uniform diameter. Okay, its function is to provide direction to particles. Now let us see the examples so that you will know better. Examples of gynoecilia or ciliated epithelium can be found in trachea, bronchiole. See the diagram here. Okay, trachea and bronchiole. It helps us to provide direction to air and move inside the lungs. Third and fourth example are fallopian tube and uterus. It helps the egg. It is found in female reproductive system. It helps the egg to move forward in the fallopian tube. And in uterus it helps the sperm to move towards the egg. Fifth example is ependymal epithelium. Let us understand about it. Okay, so brain is a compactly packed structure. Okay, so it requires blood vessels and nutrition so that it can function properly. Inside the spinal cord there is cerebrospinal fluid which provides nutrition to it. So ependymal epithelium is present inside, which helps the fluid material, cerebrospinal fluid, to move up and down it inside it. Okay, third example, as we talked about, is stereocilia or stereociliated epithelium. You can see the diagram and know it better. It has pointed or tapering ends. It has non-uniform ends because see here the diameter is more and here it is less. It is also non-motile, so it cannot move. It is also non-contractile, it cannot change its length. It increases the surface area and also it increases the rate of absorption. Examples of stereocilia or stereociliated epithelium can be found in vas deferens, epididymis, which is found in male reproductive system, and macula or cristae of internal ear. Okay, we will talk about their functions in the later videos only. Okay, now comes types of epithelium. Basically, you can see there are three shapes of epithelium only, not more than three. Okay, first is squamous, second is cuboidal, third is columnar. Okay, now types are simple epithelium and compound epithelium. Simple epithelium basically has single layer of cells, and compound epithelium has two or more than two layer of cells. Simple epithelium is generally found in lining of ducts or tubules, and compound epithelium is found basically in protective functions like skin. Okay, now on the basis of it, compound epithelium can further be divided into transitional epithelium, or also called urothelium, and stratified epithelium. Okay, stratified epithelium is non-stretchable, but transitional epithelium is stretchable. Now let us see their names. It is very easy to name the types of epithelium. Okay, in simple epithelium, first we have to write simple and then the shape of the cell. Okay, so simple squamous epithelium. Similarly, it means that there is single layer of squamous epithelium cell. Second comes simple cuboidal epithelium. Third will be simple columnar epithelium. It is so easy to name them. Okay, fourth is pseudo stratified epithelium. See, here pseudo is written, but stratified is written, sorry. Okay, pseudo means false, so it is directly saying that it is not true, it is false. Pseudo stratified epithelium also has a single layer. Okay, now let us name the stratified epithelium cells. Stratified epithelium cells are also easy to name. It is just as simple as we named the simple epithelium. Okay, first we have to write the stratified, then the shape of the cell, then epithelium. Easy. Stratified squamous epithelium. Second will be stratified cuboidal epithelium. Third will be similar stratified columnar epithelium. Okay, now let us see about the simple squamous epithelium first. Simple squamous epithelium are also of two types. Squama means scale like. Okay, now see this diagram. In simple squamous epithelium, cells are arranged in a single layer with a nucleus of round shape which is present at the center. It has a tile like appearance. Okay, like the flat tiles you see in the houses. Okay, so it is also called pavement epithelium. Second one you can see is this type of arrangement. It has not proper ends, it has wave like borders. It is called tessellated epithelium, and its functions, both of their functions are found in basically where filtration and diffusion occurs. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.